Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best shirt teams, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first week is called Dyadic, and combined the today page with the control center with new gestures to open the control center. This week just came out. Big Sur Center came out yesterday. Places did a fall iOS control center with a new lightweight and elegant one inspired by the new control center and macOS Big Sur. This week's called CCBG colors control center background. This is called More Bar Edge 13, more status bar icons. This is called Social Composer, quick and efficient way to use your social skills. You can quickly write messages, tweets, mails, share posts, texts, and in your social media apps for anywhere on your device. Supports multiple photo section, design your own grabber and view position. Change the order of the apps in your view. So, pretty cool. This is called D&D My Recording. Enables Do Not Disturb when the screen recording is initiated. After the recording ends, Do Not Disturb is returned to the state it was beforehand. To use this week, make sure that you're on that your Do Not Disturb settings are always set to always and not to only while the device is locked. Next is called Lyrication and live lyrics for music, so you can sing along, while your song is playing. The lyrics will appear. Next is called Quick ANC, quickly switch between transparency mode and noise cancellation mode. Next is called Twitter No Ads and moves ads, deletes, hides news and trending posts in search tab. So these features right here for the Twitter app. This is called App Data, and view and access your data of your apps by either swiping up or the icon or from the Force Touch menu. You have these features right here. This is called libKW. This is called Phosphor Tools, help a tool for Phosphor tweets. This is called Simple Time, modify the appearance of the lock screen, date, and time. This is called Dual Clock, 2 time zones on the lock screen. This is called Lock Dock, and this is called Lock Dock and City Lock Cyget that allows the end user to build anything from 1.1 dock, 1x1 dock to a 4x5 board on the lock screen. This is called Lockdown Pro, and best way to protect your applications. This is called Let Me Know, and auto kills MDNS responder helper when MDNS responder keeps crashing. This is called Dark Chord or DRK Chord, and custom colors for Discord. This is called Meredith. Tint color system wide and for your favorite apps. This is called Hue Folder BG, gives opportunity to get custom colors and even more options for your folder's background and your titles inside. And last week is called Lumi and night mode camera for low light photography. So switch all these devices right here, and it tells you all about the tweak, what it does, exactly what devices it works on, exactly the features it has, and everything. All these FAQs, frequently asked questions, gives you answers. So you just read all about it before purchasing. I definitely suggest that. But you can see this is before and this is after. So it's definitely a big. This is with the tweak, without the tweak. So definitely a big difference. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.